Okay guys, we got a donkey Stomper 300V-HG-1x2. This is the one I built for the other day. We had some capacitor failure, totally under warranty, repair review, straight through SWRs. Zero. Turn it on. You got SWRs, it's little nothing, worldwide. 5-watt reverse. Worldwide. 5-watt slug. PP, you know what's gonna happen. Worldwide. It's easy to read this one. 1,000-watt slug average power, read the bottom scale. Worldwide. It's about 290 average. PP. Worldwide. 590. Turn the variable halfway down. Worldwide. That's 500. Variable all the way down. Worldwide. 300. Variable wide open. Like I said, this is totally under warranty. We ship back free of charge. Just a part failure. I mean, it wasn't my fault, but you know, stuff happens. So we're gonna fix it. 1,000-watt PP, variable wide open. One more time. Worldwide, donkey Stomper, worldwide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You gotta keep your dead key low. These things like about a watt dead key, about right. Worldwide. 500 watt. Back in the corner. Worldwide, donkey Stomper, get on down, get on down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Just hammer a little bit, trying to heat her up a little bit. There she is, she's all good to go. We'll get right to you. Sorry you had an issue. Like I said, it was a bad part. It was the pad and capacitor blew up on the driver transistor. We got her all fixed up. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018 Beavers. Catch you later. Bye bye.